No doubt about it, Black Diamond. Got you 9 nest units out here in the mini grass. Black Diamond, welcome to the water gate. 270 with the wave.
Alright, 270, man, no doubt. Hey, well, you're rolling straight too, man, no doubt about it. 270, you're up in front. Black Diamond, Melbourne, Australia. He'll let you know.
Roger, man. He said I'm up front, no doubt about it, man. He said I'm up front, and you're walking all by yourself too right now in the mini grass. Black Diamond 270 with the water gate. We see you by now. Aloha.
Artistic. You got them all down, I'll see ya.
Right there, he said I got them all down, no doubt about it. Alright, Black Diamond, you take it easy out there in Australia, man, and down under. Black Diamond 270, bye-bye-bye. Hello, Dozer. Hello, Dozer. Got you in there. Hello, Dozer. After Black Diamond got off the key. Hello, D9 270. Rolling a fresh Watergate show. Let's go. Break.
Right.
Right there, Dozer. Watch out because Black Diamond stirring some Kool-Aid out there. Yeah, D9, man. Watch out there, Black Diamond. He's stirring up some Kool-Aid. Hello, Black Diamond. Hello, D9 270. Right back. Break.
Yeah, man. No worries. Looking forward to seeing the Watergate 270. Black Diamond got down.
Right there, Black Diamond. No doubt about it, man. Yeah, let's go on the tube and punch in 270 Maui, Hawaii, man. No doubt about it. Hello, Dozer. He creeping up in Black in my receive too. D9 Black Diamond 270. Bye.
Yeah, Roger,
right there, D9. You take it easy too, man. Oh man, great, Black Diamond, man. You got a great big mall right about now, Black Diamond. You take it easy out there, D9. You guys all have a good one out there. 270 mini grass, getting on down.
Well, 270. What happened to the rest of them? 270. I can't hear no one but you. Hey, 270. What happened to the rest of them in the island? I can't hear no one else but you. 270 Black Diamond right there. You had a good day. 270, nicely problem, Black Diamond got down.
Right there, I don't know, man. I don't know where them boys at, but I know I got good conditions right about now. Yeah, Black Diamond. I don't know where.